From steam to screens, how did life transform? Machines and minds, the old and the new were born. Let's trace the path from gears to glowing light. Industrial revolution, changing day and night.
Back in the 1700s, things began to shift. The Industrial Revolution, a giant global lift. It's when machines and factories took the lead. Handmade goods declined, but speed became the need.
The steam engine arrived, a machine using steam's might. It powered trains and factories, turning dark to bright. Work moved from farms to cities, people crowding in. Old ways of life fading, new routines begin. It wasn't just machines, whole lives rearranged. How people worked, lived, even talked, it all changed. Faster jobs, crowded towns, messages on wires. Connection and stress, both climbing higher.
Now fast forward, screens light up the room. Computers and smartphones, our modern tools of boom. Just like steam made muscle tasks seem small, digital power shifts how we work and call.
But progress comes with shadows, truth we can't dismiss. Some folks lose jobs, pollution clouds the bliss. Change isn't equal, not all can catch the train. Adapting's hard for some, and sometimes there's pain.